Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 68 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on multiple upload for the product, right? So we are working on the vendor panel. So in the vendor panel, we have seen that how we can simply add the product with these fields. Now, I will try to upload multiple images for the product so that we can show in the gallery like we are showing for other uh, you know other products, like here we can show, right? So let's start to do this. Before start, I'm going to let's understand that how we can upload, what is the process flow. So we have a different model for the product image, right? So what I will do, after uploading the after adding the product to the model, to the product model, I will get the it will return the ID of the product. Then with the help of that ID, we will upload in the product image, right? Because product image needs ID because it's attached with the product with the foreign key. So we will do that flow, right? So in the add product, so I have already added a field for the product images. Here you can see that, right? So and I have added the multiple files handler, right? So where is the multiple file handler? Let's check. So here we have, right? So product images, here we have no need for this product data, no need for product images in the product data, and no need here also, right? So okay, so when response returns, when we have done with adding the product, in this response we will add the images, right? So let's create the success and error message also for the product images upload. Okay, error image upload error message, image upload success message, right? And let's say this one. Okay, right? Okay, so this is we have this product. Let's arrange this so we can easily read that later also. So here we are. Here we are. Okay, so error message set product images, right? So once user change the file handler, if the product file, if the number of the images is greater than 0, then we will set all the files here, right, in the product images. And after submit a handler, what we will do, we will run a axios again. So we will say submit images, right? Let's download some images. Let's say python images, python images, image size is 400 by 400. Let's see. Okay, so we don't need snake. So we'll download this image. Okay, save image as where we have where pictures. No, this one D images. Okay, this is 400 by 400. We can save here, right? But this is web p. Let's say Python language, right? So we have this image. Okay, what we will save if we save as, okay, it is png. So we can say Python untitled, let's say Python 1, right? What else? Let's download also this one. So this is good. Okay, two images are fine for testing, I think. Let's download one more thing. Django is not a language, it's just a framework. So Django images. Let's download this one. Let's download this one. Okay, save image. Django.png. It's already exists, so we'll save this one. Okay, it's fine now. Wow, our website is also coming here. Okay, all right. So we have downloaded the images. Now let's copy this xuse function, paste here. I just want to, you know, prevent the typing. Okay, so now we have this response. So let's remove all of the things and just console the response. We will see that what we are getting here, right? If this is not 201, then what we will do, we will set product images empty. Let's comment this. We'll see that also later. Let's okay, so no need for this one also. Oh, no, this is for product. Okay, we are in this, so and upload images, submit multiple images. Okay, so we are calling this function in the form data. Now we need the form data, so we'll say image form data. So let's create a new and form data, right? Before that we will run a loop, so we'll say for let I equal to 0, right, and I less than where we are, this is files product images, right, because when multiple handles run it set the product images. So we'll say here if dot length greater than, oh sorry, so I less than length, where is that, okay, and then I plus plus, and in this we will run the xuse function. Okay, so here we are, so image form data, and in the image form data we will say append. First of all we need product, so product will be response dot data dot id, right, it will return the data dot id, means it will return the product id when it submit the product in this url, right, and another one is image, right, so image, so what it will be product image and this array, right, and then we can submit this image form data. Okay, so let's test it. So let's see Django script, right, and we'll say Django script, let's say one, inner price is let's say 5,000, let's say $60, this one is this, demo url is any url, featured image is featured image. Okay, let's see where we have downloaded the images. All right, so featured image is this one, product images, let's say this. Okay, and then product file. Okay, let's product file, let's say this one, but it should be zip file, right? So maybe in future we will add a condition here, only we can upload the compressed files, right? So if we run this, so we have 4 images. So oh, oh. Okay, actually we need to run different URL, but I'm glad that we are running this. So what we need to do, we need to change the URL. So URL will be product images, product image, right? And let's create the URL. So this will be like we have a same as product list. So we'll say product image images. Product images is good. So product images, and this will be product images list, right? So let's go here, this one, where is the product list images? Okay, so we'll copy this one, right, and paste here. We know this, we don't need this query set, and we'll see that pagination is needed or not, but no need for the pagination currently. So images list generic view, and this will be a product image, and this will be product image serializer. And if we look in the product image serializer, we need id, product, and image. You can see that, right? So now let's try to run this again. So it will say username exists, image is created, hmm, okay, category title slug, we need to change the slug to let's say submit. So product images, it is uploading the image. Let's go in the folder and let's see image is uploading or not. Main, media, product images, and here you can see that, right? So everything is uploaded, right? And it's returning, if you go here in the console, 201, right? Status text okay, and this is okay. This was the previous response, this is the new response, right? So it's working properly now, right? And if you go to the product list, go to the product list, so it is showing the where is that? Okay, 5,000 here, we added 2 times, so it is showing 2 times, right? Now uh, what we need to do now, we need to empty the form. No, so form is not empty, we need to empty the form. So what we will do, if response is this, error message is this, and we need to empty this form. This should be for the success message, no? Here, set product equal to, no need here, error message empty, status text okay, right? Actually here we are doing this, okay, we are doing at the right place. Why? Okay, now in the error, what we will do, success message, set success message will be empty, and now it's time to end upload. So end upload, we will see that how we can show the responses, because currently we have 3 responses, and now we need to show all the 3. So maybe we can add a, that all the images has done, or maybe we can do something like 1 2 3 images done, or 1 or 2 done, so we can show like that, right? But it's fine for now. right? We can do that later. So when it's success, then it will show success message will be empty, and sorry, error message will be empty, success message will be something, and whatever the status is receiving from the server, and it will also upload the images, right? So if I run this again, let's say 3, because select should be unique. So if I run this again, it will say, and everything is empty except files, right? Demo URL product file is also okay. Image should be also okay. One more thing we need to do. For, let's say, this one, set product image here, empty. Okay, so next time it will empty the data, right? So we have done with the multiple upload. I know that this is old school, but this is working fine, right? So we every time we learn something. So this is a one way that we can upload the multiple images. Later, if we find another way, then we will apply on the another project, right? So I hope uh, you understand all the concept, that how we are doing with the products, right? Now in the next videos we will work on the edit and delete. Let's remove this view button, right? We don't need the view button, because in the edit, vendor can see the product, right? And I have also added the hover functionality, because this is a bootstrap table. So I've added the hover functionality, right? So I will upload all of the code on the repository, related repository, and you can access the repository after following this process, right? So this is just a simple process. You just need to support me, and I will give you access of this repository, right? And you can also download the projects from Projects Plaza, right? This is also my website, and you can download the projects for your practice. Here you can see that this is in WordPress. In future we will make it in a Django Next.js, right? So please support me, right? I'm looking for your support. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you need anything, uh, if you need any code, then I have already told you that how you can do that. And please comment your queries, and also comment the project ideas. If you have any project ideas, you can share here, so I will try to create that, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.